As you might imagine, it takes something pretty special to impress our seasoned staff here at RK Motors. It's not that we're a particularly cynical bunch, but as a leading retailer of some of the world's most desirable classics, we're constantly surrounded by extremely impressive machinery. That said, few modern cars compare to an SRT Demon, and that's especially true when said Demon has been touched by the hand of Hennessey. Officially known as HPE1000 Serial Number 1, this glowing Challenger wraps timeless MoTown swagger around a truly incredible 1,000 brake horsepower. Think about that for a second. That's all-American world-beating power in a car that's so versatile, it'll happily chauffeur your grandmother to the local hair salon. How could any red-blooded gearhead not love it? If you're a MoPar fan, or just a fan of fast cars in general, this modern Detroit marvel is just your style. Inside, you'll find a fresh leather and Alcantara cockpit that displays virtually nowhere at all. Heated and ventilated buckets, which look great leading an optional rear bench and optional red belts, feature full power adjustment for the driver. A driver-oriented dash hangs detailed gauges next to a serialized Demon plaque and sophisticated Uconnect Infotainment. A wide console founds a chrome-trimmed shifter below factory climate control, and a heated Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel spins small paddle shifters around a power tilt and telescoping column. Essentially a better-breathing version of the already impressive Hellcat engine. This 6.2-liter begins with a 2.7-liter supercharger, which amps up the boost with the help of a pulley and a tune. That massive power is transferred through a TorqueFlite 8-speed auto and a limited-slip rear. When it comes to reliable road-ready power, there's little doubt this exclusive HPE1000 is one of the best Challengers ever created. And with its pristine shell, highly capable chassis, and asphalt-destroying drivetrain, it's the boutique muscle car every collector wants. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.